Welcome to Daily English Talk. Today's story is called The Broken Coffee Machine. It's about Tom, Anna, and one small morning problem that turns into a big learning moment. Let's begin.
Good morning, Anna. I need coffee badly.
Morning, Tom. You look half asleep.
I am half asleep. I just need my coffee machine to save me. Wait, what? Why isn't it working?
What happened?
My coffee machine. It's dead. No sound, no light, nothing.
Maybe it's not broken. Let's check it together.
Checking the coffee machine.
Is it plugged in?
Of course it's not plugged in.
Step 1. Always check the plug.
Okay, now it's in. Let's try again. Still nothing.
Maybe it's really broken.
No, my morning coffee.
Don't worry, Tom. You can make coffee by hand.
By hand? You mean like magic?
No magic. Just a pot, hot water, and a spoon. Let's learn how.
Finding another way.
Okay, what do we need first?
First, find a clean cup and a spoon.
Cup? Check. Spoon? Check.
Next, coffee powder or instant coffee.
Aha! Instant coffee. My hero.
Perfect. Now we need hot water.
Kettle time. Wait, how much water do I use?
For 1 cup, use about 200 milliliters. That's 1 mug full.
You sound like a science teacher.
Maybe a coffee scientist?
Making coffee manually.
Okay, water's hot. What's next?
Put 1 teaspoon of coffee in the cup. Then add sugar, if you like.
1 spoon coffee, 1 spoon sugar. Mix, mix, mix.
Now, pour the hot water in slowly.
Wow, it smells so good already.
Now, stir again gently.
It looks perfect, but will it taste perfect?
Try it and see.
Hey, that's not bad.
See? You made coffee without a machine.
The taste test.
It tastes different, stronger.
That's because you made it yourself. Homemade coffee has more heart.
And more sugar.
That too.
You know, it's strange. I never realized how easy it is to make coffee by hand.
Sometimes we rely too much on machines.
Yeah, maybe this broken coffee machine isn't so bad after all.
Vocabulary time.
Okay, Tom. Let's review some new words.
Teacher Anna is back.
Plug in means to connect something to electricity.
Got it. Plug in the coffee machine.
Boil means to make water hot until it bubbles.
Boil the water in the kettle.
And stir means to mix something with a spoon.
Stir the coffee and don't spill it.
perfect sentence.
Fixing the machine.
Okay, let's see if we can fix this thing.
Sure. First, unplug it for safety.
Done. Safety first.
Maybe check the filter.
There's some old coffee stuck here.
Let's clean it. Use warm water and a cloth.
Okay, cleaned and dry. Let's plug it back in. Hey, it's alive! The light's on!
Great job! You fixed it!
Celebration coffee.
The sweet sound of coffee brewing.
Smells wonderful.
Let's make 2 cups, one for you too.
Thank you. I prefer mine with milk.
1 coffee with milk, 1 black.
Perfect teamwork.
So, what did we learn today, Professor Anna?
That broken things can teach us something new.
The lesson.
Yeah, I learned how to make coffee, fix something, and even learn new words.
Exactly. English is everywhere, even in your kitchen.
I'll remember that. Next time something breaks, I'll try to fix it first.
And if it doesn't work,
Then I'll make coffee by hand again.
deal.
English practice.
Let's practice speaking, Tom. Repeat after me.
Okay.
My coffee machine is broken.
My coffee machine is broken.
I can make coffee by hand.
I can make coffee by hand.
I cleaned the filter and fixed it.
I cleaned the filter and fixed it.
Now I feel proud.
Now I feel proud.
Excellent.
Small talk and humor.
You know, Anna, I think this coffee tastes even better than before.
Because you made it with effort and love.
Or maybe because you helped.
I'll take that as a compliment.
You know, I should write this down. The morning the coffee machine broke, and I didn't.
That's a good quote for the fridge.
Reflection.
Sometimes small problems make big lessons. No phone, no machine. Still, life goes on.
And sometimes even better.
Yeah, I think I'll start every morning like this. Slow and calm.
With a real cup of coffee and a smile.
Final message.
And that's today's story. The broken coffee machine. Remember, small problems can lead to big learning. Fix, create, and stay calm. Enjoy every cup and every moment. Less stress, more coffee.
And more English practice.
See you next time on Daily English Talk.